Imagine a masterpiece created not with brushes or paint. An artist named James Cook crafts stunning pictures using only a typewriter. Letters, numbers, and symbols come together to form buildings, people, even vibrant landscapes. This time, he's sitting in front of a grand building in the middle of a park, his fingers dancing over the keys, each keystroke a step closer to a masterpiece. Who knew the sound of click-clack could be the music of art?